How to transfer money from PayPal to Binance. Today, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your money from PayPal to Binance. As you guys can see, I'm here currently logged into my Binance account. So how you can add the money from your PayPal. So for that, what you have to do is you have to click on this deposit. It is pretty much the same in the Android or iOS as well. So I'm just doing this on my computer. So there's nothing to be worried about. And now after that, what you have to do is you have to click on deposit crypto. So I'm just going to click on that and it will take me to a new web page. And here, what you have to do is you have to verify your account. My account is not verified now. If I submit my verification right now, it will verify me in 2 to 3 days. After doing that, what you have to do is you have to select the coin, select the network, and you will be able to get a deposit address. The address will also include a barcode. So after getting the barcode, what you have to do is you have to simply use your phone in which you have the PayPal. You just have to scan the barcode and it will take you to your PayPal, and it will ask you to submit or pay using PayPal. And after paying from the PayPal, it will also be transferred from your PayPal to Binance. So that's pretty much it. That's how we do it. Hope you find this video helpful.